Hi, my name is Joe Connor. I'm from the United States. It's great to be in Uzbekistan. My question is for the player. First of all, I want to congratulate the coach and the player and the entire Uzbekistan Football Federation for qualifying for the World Cup. It's a great achievement for your country. My question is for the player. You go to whether it's United States, Canada, or Mexico, wherever your first match is going to be, have you thought about in your mind what it's going to feel like to be on the pitch when they're playing the national anthem of your country for the first time ever in the World Cup? What does that mean to you personally, not just as a football player, but as someone a native of your country? I was wondering if you could please just tell me the emotion about that.
Futbolchiga bildiğimiz birinchi o'yinchilar AQShdan, Meksikadan yoki Kanadadan shaxsan siz shu futbol sifatida hech o'ylab ko'rdingizmi shu birinchi uchrashuvda maydonga tushib shu O'zbekiston madhiyasi yanglayotganda nimalarni his qilishingiz haqida hech o'ylab ko'rdingizmi?
Hali o'ylab ko'rganim chunki hali vaqt bor bungacha yaxshi tayyorgarlik olishimiz kerak. O'yinlarimiz bor, o'yinlar shunga yaqinlashganda yaxshi tayyorgarlikdan keyin o'ylab ko'ramiz.
So to be honest, I still did not think about it because, as we know, we still have a lot of games ahead. And first of all, we should prepare well for the World Cup. And when we will be approaching close to the World Cup, I can imagine, I can think about it.
Thank you.
Захидович, салам алейкум. У меня, хорошо сидя. В прошлый раз, когда иностранный тренер